Why do people think being single is sad? What's really sad is lying next to someone who makes you feel alone. Because other people are married but are single. Because you don't talk to your partner, you don't have sex with your partner. You know, those people who are single are better. Because when you are single, when you want to have sex, you can have sex with everyone you want. But those people who are married, you can't have sex with everyone, because when you go out again, that person start complaining that my husband is cheating on me, my wife is cheating on you. But you can't have sex with your partner. So being single is better. You know that you are single than to being married, but you feel alone. You can feel lonely. You don't talk to each other. Every time you come home, you don't talk to your partner. You don't talk to your wife or your husband. So you are alone most of the time. You feel lonely. Your partner is in mood every time. Guys, there is a lot of things happened in marriage. That's why you saw other people, they want to being single. They are content to being single, you know, because to be single is not sad, because you are always happy, no stress, no someone who is stressing you, than being lying to someone who makes you feel alone. You can feel alone, guys. You sleep together in a same bed, but you don't talk to each other. Each and everyone look at you, can look, maybe you don't look at each other when you are sleeping, and you say you are married. Other people, they are married for just a name. You say you are married, but you know that you are no longer married, you are single. Because when you have got 2 months or 3 months, you are not have sex with your partner, you say you still married. No, you are not married. Because guys, those people who are single are better, because when you are single, you can go to have sex with anyone you want. You can't be hungry. You know, those men who are married, they have got hungry for sex most of the time, those people who are married. Because you can be shocked why this man is hunger for sex, but he is married. They, you know, guys, especially women, they don't want to have sex with their partners. You understand? That person who is single is better. It's better when you are single, you say you single, because no one, you know that you don't have a partner. You understand? You know, it's very sad when you feel alone. You know, you are going home now, you think about that your wife is always in mood or always demanding. There is women who are always demanding every time. Understand? So you can feel lonely, that hey, you know, those people who, that's why you saw even those men nowadays, they want to be single, because they know that even you are married, sometimes it's like maybe you are not married, because you can't, guys, 2 or 3 months not have sex with your partner, you say you are still married.